Women, they will actually fall in love with you. They will be so attracted to you when you reveal that you really don't give a shit. It is one of the most attractive traits ever. You want to know why the asshole or the bad boy gets the girl over you, the nice guy, the good guy? It's because they're showing that they don't give a shit. Okay, so we're going to dissect this for a second. First, I'm going to tell you a little story. I have a friend, and he might be watching this right now, and we talk all the time. He's a friend, he's a mentor, and we always talk about this idea of attraction and vulnerability and, caring too much versus caring too little. And, well, if you show too much that you care, then it's going to be unattractive. That's what I say. And he says, no, you got to be vulnerable. You got to tell a girl how you feel. And I say, no, here's the deal. When it comes to liking a girl or getting into a relationship with a girl, and they do something where they disrespect you, or there's something that they do that is disrespectful to the relationship or showing you that you're someone who can be stepped on, that's a different story. That's when you do want to show that you care because you're sticking up for yourself. When you don't show you care in that situation, they do something that's rude, or they put you down in front of their friends, or they're just late all the time. They do something that disrespects you or your time. That's different. Speak up. Say your words. And say it confidently. Don't sit there being like, well, I don't know, you're always late, and I don't know, you said that one thing and kind of hurt my feelings. No, you say to her in a normal way, in a confident way, hey, you know that thing you did? That was not cool. I don't like that. I don't like when people are like that, or they do this, they do that, whatever it may be. But then there's everything else, right? Where guys show they care way too much. When it shows that they're jealous, when it shows that they're really needy, and a girl does, I don't know, literally anything. And the guy just gets really upset with it, mainly because he has low self-esteem and is extremely needy for the woman. So if a girl doesn't text you back right away, big deal. Don't send a second text. If a girl reschedules plans with you, but it's within enough notice, it's not like she flakes on you, but a couple days before, she's like, oh, I can't do it, but let's do it another time, and then you guys schedule another date, whatever, fine, no big deal. If a girl wants to go have a little girls' night with her friends, okay, let her go do that, no big deal. Don't start acting jealous, don't start acting needy, don't be texting her every 10 minutes to see how she's doing or where she is. Okay, so you don't hear from a girl all day. No big deal, you're busy, you got a life too. Don't be needy, don't be sitting there caring too much. Showing that you care too much, overly caring, is showing that you're needy. And this is a big sign that you don't have things going on in your life. Shows that you're not busy, you're not on your path and your purpose, you're not doing the things that you need to be doing to have an awesome life, and you care way too much about her. This is the dangerous territory. Again, there's a fine line, and I drew that just a few minutes ago when I talked about the fact that there's the fine line between, well, is she disrespecting you, or is it no big deal? Okay, so another example might be, okay, she flakes on you 5 minutes before. That's not cool. If a girl flakes on you, by the way, and it's like the first date or the first or second date and she flakes on you, that's not cool. I probably would never talk to that girl again. Way too many or more women out there that I'd want to be with that have a higher level of interest that are not going to flake 5 minutes before. But again, she reschedules 2 days before the date. Different story. That's very respectful. She's just letting you know, okay? And that's totally fine. So you really got to figure out, where is she disrespecting you? Where is she not disrespecting you? What's the fine line between those two? And then realizing that when she's not disrespecting you, don't care. Don't show that care. And then she's going to see, wow, this guy is emotionally strong. It's a funny way of putting it. She's not going to say that. She's not going to go in her head and tell her friends, wow, Tripp, he's really emotionally strong. This is all happening on a subconscious level. This is all happening on a biological level. She's just going to notice. She's going to notice that you're not needy, and that is sexy, and that's more attractive because she's going to be wondering, why isn't he needy? What's going on in his life? What's happening with him? And then that is going to get her to chase you more and yes, eventually fall in love with you because you have your own shit going on and you're not always worried about her.